The Yamaha Star Venture stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to delivering a premier touring motorcycle experience. This luxurious, high-performance touring bike blends advanced technology, comfort, and power, making it a strong contender in the touring motorcycle segment. The Yamaha Star Venture is a striking motorcycle with a commanding presence. Its design balances modern aesthetics with classic touring bike elements. The bike features a sculpted front fairing, integrated LED headlights, and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the bike, from the chrome accents to the high-quality paint finish. At the heart of the Star Venture is a powerful 1,854cc, air-cooled V-twin engine. This engine delivers impressive torque and smooth power delivery, making it ideal for long-distance cruising. The V-twin configuration provides the characteristic throaty exhaust note that touring bike enthusiasts love. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for effortless highway cruising and precise gear changes. Comfort is paramount in a touring motorcycle, and the Star Venture excels in this regard. The bike features a spacious, well-padded seat with ample support for both the rider and passenger. The ergonomic design ensures a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue on long journeys. Heated seats and grips, adjustable handlebars, and footrests further enhance comfort, making the Star Venture an excellent choice for extended tours. The Star Venture is equipped with a host of advanced features designed to enhance the riding experience. Key among these is the 7-inch full-color LCD infotainment system, which provides navigation, audio controls, and Bluetooth connectivity. The bike also features Yamaha's Sure Park system, which assists with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces by allowing the rider to move the bike forward or backward at low speeds using an electric motor. Touring requires ample storage space, and the Star Venture delivers with its generous luggage capacity. The bike features large, lockable saddlebags and a spacious top case, providing enough room for all your travel essentials. Additionally, the bike has numerous storage compartments for smaller items, ensuring everything you need is within easy reach.